Kangoya. Yoko, sorry. Mnajua Kangoya. Mnajua nini? Josaka tumbide. Wakwetu. Well, you need to go back to your country. We cannot really allow this kind of behavior here. But here to do mekuja huku kutafuta mialamano.
Illegal immigrants.
Yes. You know they reserve the right of customs office.
Yeah.
No, wewe ndo gotonye. Mauga na matire modo tosho population ine yawe yote.
Ucoke na guku no raine igo nginya bye airport.
Na ne orumo na kwaja ko deport. Ko deport ati kwega na deport aba huko akira. Kayu ando makia. Ili ni nyoni le urukare nyoni yenge the town. Ego no mona aka odogo no mwaka ona atauma na wira wa rugongo no arithi. You can kuhana
na go maitho marahenia
ocho ninge ezo dia twikete ukathutha miaka 5 na thie last year upe warekire mauso magu kuurerwo
Ludi kwenu.
We are kindly requesting you to go back to your country of origin and there or have to abide by, and your behavior is unacceptable in this country. This is a civilized economy and an advanced democracy, and you cannot behave like that here. So I don't know whether you do that where you come from, but you can't do that here. So I would just have to cancel your visa.
Unajua mkumbo wa
today siogea. Okay, things don't work here. Don't work like they are here. They don't work like they are here.
Acha kuongea na nguvu.
No, I'm saying you need to go back where you came from. You understand? You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying, Jeremiah? Jeremiah, Karuitha, Rush Era. You need to go back where you came from.
Najua ni kuhoseo nilihoseo.
I got a letter from the police saying you caused disturbance, you're dragging, and you're not a good citizen of this country. You gotta go back right where you came from. You heard? Put yourself in my shoes. I ain't gonna do that.
The clan played.
You see, my coming here was a halabi. It was a what? Halabi. Like people pull resources.
I even sold livestock.
You see, my journey here left home without cows. If I go back there, even, in my country there is witch doctors. They might actually now, decide to lower me. Deportation is not good. According to the investigation, you have traffic offenses going up to 28. You have drunk and disorderly. You have you attacked a bartender at Seattle, Post 6, and we got reports on that, and it's just unacceptable. You're an immigrant. You're not even a citizen of this country. You're an immigrant. We don't allow that kind of behavior in our country. So you gotta go back where you came from. You're heard. You see, it's not me, my bad. It's Satan. Satan, you see, sometimes control brains.
And Satan of our place.
Where I come from, Aki, I leave nothing. Well, that's not going to argue your case. It's all decided. Here I have recommendations from the sheriff. I have recommendations from the new NYPD, the New York Police Department. And the county office has recommended that you be deported to your country of origin. They will make sure that you go all the way to Nairobi. At least let me finish the year. But it's not going to happen, I'm afraid. I can't do that. I'm bound by rules here. I got laws. I know govern cases like this, and I It's not in my position to overturn this. When you did what you did, you should have known there would be consequences on this. So really, Jeremiah, you can roll either. I can help you get roll either.
Mkosilius.
Mkosilius. Na uambie uache kuniita Kalutha ni Karuitha. Kalutha is like permission. You know, I think this is even a lenient judgment on you, because under ordinary circumstances you would be facing, jail time. You would be doing some time in jail. So deporting you is actually really merciful and considerate of the police department here and the sheriff's department. So you're just gonna have to go back. You say where you come from? My village. Yes, your local village. What's it called? Kaimbaga.
Even our chief knows me.
Our chief knows me. And you see, if I go back there, my uncles are quarrelsome. They shall not accept me back. So now, please, I beg you, let me stay in US.
Tuongee kama wanaume.
I'm gonna have to call security on you. We don't seem to be communicating on the same shit. So I'm gonna call that security, and then they just gotta. You see this sheet of paper? This sheet of paper has your charges. Your charges. It's what you did. It's what you did. I didn't do this. You did this. Did you abuse a bartender? I'm reading your paper here. It says that you called the bartender, you called her Fundaa. And according to translations means you called her a donkey. See, you're Fundaa. Fundaa in our place, it's like when you feel you have lacalad. You can say Fundaa, Well, we didn't take it that way. We consider it our, character assassination on the bride, and the psychological effects on her. So basically, we're not going to be able to hold the European and the United States of America, because we're a civil nation. We have the rule of law, and we follow the rules, and we have the Constitution here is very clear. You can't do that. You can't call somebody Fundaa. Well, sick, you see a Fundaa. Don't raise your voice on me. Don't raise your voice on me, Karuitha.
Moni dhiro.
I think it's a police commissioner to Philemon Abongo.
Yes.
Philemon dhiro.
Na mundu wa Kenya no amwenda Philomena.
Kana Philemon. Dhiro ri. Nyarauga niaretha wakiri wa raithi. Utekumutengeria kiemuhuko.
Kuria raithi. Affordable legal services.
Nima wakina mono makire ikiro. Kuria metagwo senior counsel, grand mula.
Fred Gathaiya.
Yes. Those are paid to the tunes of hundreds of millions. And kuria wa agiari farori. Mausairagira agreement.
Now affidavit.
Vision of oath. And they are also quite important.
No wakiri.
Ni aretha wakiri. You see? Hauga hegera waragerio ramucugiria murimu. And he wants to be compensated.
Yes. Ariho.
Aumeta riri. Itura ria kone kwa rwogo rwa Kamukabi. Ituru Kamukabi.
Kamukabi ya kuria Kegumo.
Yes. Hale ugo rwogo rwa kwa secondary ri. We kundu gwitho gwitekera.
Gwitekera.
Rwako gwitekera.
Viro wa gwitekera.
Viro wa gwitekera ri. Yarokete Nairobi. Gucerera mbari ciao. Menondu. Yes. Na nĩ thikũ ici rĩ kwenda kaũndũ andũ nĩ matendaga gũkũnyitithania
maũndũ
ici gũcokanĩrĩria tarua andũ a family othe rĩ. It's not usually an easy thing.
Ti easy tondũ andũ nao nĩ matawanyikire magĩthi kũndũ ngũrani ngũrani.
Yes.
Mĩethere-inĩ
rĩu nĩ ũkoraga acuhĩrĩra ciake event ĩrĩa ĩkuo ĩgacuhĩrĩrwo nĩ tũmaũndũ tũngĩ
ĩkanyitithanio tũmaũndũ ngeti tũngethanga kĩririkano gĩake.
Yes, tũmaũndũ tũkarehwo hamwe so that they can hit several birds with what?
Na birthday ũcũwe.
Yes. Rĩu haha birthday rĩ nĩho rĩu thirũ wa gwikenda thĩna wake ũrekire atĩa
ũrambĩirie
arauga gĩthĩna gĩake gĩtire ethererwo kĩambĩirio hau birthday-inĩ ĩyo.
Nĩkũ kũrarĩ na birthday
yagĩtĩtwo kũrĩ andũ ao gũkũ Membũrĩ. Yes. Arĩa maikaraga Membũrĩ rĩ nĩ andũ meiguĩte kĩmanda
Membũrĩ rĩ
na magacoka makenda cherehe. Ona gũtuĩka Membũrĩ ndakuire nayo no ĩkĩre ikĩro
ona no ĩrĩ annex
ĩrĩ annex kwĩ Membũrĩ mathanjĩ-inĩ
na meini
kwĩ Membũrĩ mathitima-inĩ
unaribu
kwĩ reri-inĩ
no guothe nĩ Membũrĩ
araciũria ndaga ũhoro wao nĩ oru mũno no manjethe bypass na nĩ gũkĩrĩ rĩu pavilion aikaria kũu nĩ moĩ ũrĩa ndĩra
wananauo
ona ũkĩingĩrĩra mwana ũcio wambaga kũhĩtũka pavilion ona kũu ũkoria mũndũ atĩrĩ ndona kĩiko kĩandĩkĩtwo pavilion we ũka
tu
ũka nginya harĩa aramiĩrĩ thirũ wa gwikenda rĩ marakĩrĩ kwĩ relative wao wĩ warie kũu pavilion
ũcio nĩ wa kũu tene
rĩu me function-inĩ rĩ ĩrarĩ get together an ordinary one mayũkaga kuona mwana ũcio arĩtwo mũciĩ ũrĩkũ
mwana ũcio arĩtwo kũu.
Yes. Nĩona atumia mayũkaga nĩ kwenda gwathuria na rũgongo magĩthiĩ magathondeka
gĩcĩgĩ
kĩao rĩu rĩ thirũ rĩ karahĩnda mũcemani rĩu mũndũ ahĩnda mũcemani atukanaga na andũ othe nginya nĩ era kamam koja wewe ni wanani ngai nĩ tũrĩkũra
nĩ maithĩra
wakĩnũthia mũirĩtu ũracuhagia mira mũthenya ũngĩ nĩwe nyũkwa njũkũrire
arauga nĩ mĩigũ
ĩrarĩ mĩigũ already kũragĩtuĩka guys by the way last week ilikuwa birthday ya Sheila so guys I think we are going to merge these things kuna keki
tunakata
magongona mafamily wona oka keki
ithatũ ya maũndũ matatũ ngũrani.
Yes. Ũthiro ka gwikenda rĩ karaingĩra rĩu riang-inĩ yake
ya birthday na nĩ kahĩndĩte mũcema.
Yes. Rĩu kukaracugwo ũguo wĩtũthuria tũnyuaga mũcema akanjia kũinia njohero kĩũndũ bani nake na mũbuto wĩna ngana ngũ nene nake mũcibi gaceke
na iratũ cia ndigi nene.
Yes. Akitinda akiuga kũu gekĩrĩrwo under pressure. Mwene birthday ayũka nĩguo atinie keki rĩ thirũ rĩ ũrĩa rĩu aoka aitĩirwo ũguo thirũ karoka ke mbere yake ũguo baby inĩtia ũiye
karekĩra nginya ũiye
hayaya ũiye nĩtia ũiye susa happy birthday Gang nayo rĩ ĩgĩeteire mwene birthday mũhũre
mũhũre maĩ.
Yes. Thirũ rĩ karagũthirwo maĩ ndoo ĩmwe on a case of mistaken
identity and standing in line
Standing in the line of
fire.
stray bullet.
Ya maido.
Tu akugereria ri. Kara guthuira ingeire. Ndwe mwene bajeri arathiekire na ki?
Arathiekire na thiro. Na karebi.
Thiro kangu ikera toro ne kare agucokereria muhuko wa mubuto ri. Kaya kiroi wa naironi ri. Ndwe tukagia mai. Ona mubuto cio kia ni kwane ko yoga.
Uri ogarie. Oite mai.
Ongeria na gutu ogaria. Ndo maga. Thiro kangu ikenda kainainira hau ri.
Karagucia Julai.
Karaingiria Julai.
Ndekara kuete nguo cia gucenjia.
Athuri a rũgongo macikuaga nguo cia gucenjia. Uga tũtirĩ atumia ithuĩ.
Ningĩ tũrathiĩ haha membure tũinũke.
Ningĩ ona mũndũ aracenjeria kũ. Nyũmba cia Nairobi nĩguo itirĩ warie.
Ũthiĩ ũcenjeria nguo gwa ciana ciaku.
Rĩu rũciinĩ nĩgetha muoneke ta macenjia nguo rĩ. Makũnjaga cati na mũbuto.
Wana tita we ronete ira.
Acenjie lumbutu.
Mbutuku.
Na akire. No akora mukanera mukuire tari. Thiro kainainira hau. Kainũkire akainainira.
System yako iragucia heho.
Tondu nĩ naguo mumo nĩ ũrũragia. Maĩ maya karahũrirwo ma mbere rĩ. Nĩ maraikĩtio ice cube.
Nĩmegũkaumania. Ice cubes.
Athoria ka jacket. Adafunga ifungo yake igũrũ gĩa shati. Maĩ maraingĩrire nginya mũkonyo.
Thiro ĩgucĩrie heho.
Thiro nĩ karaingĩririe Julai.
Atigũkĩrwara rimunia.
Karĩa ngui kenda. Karahũrwo korio. Andiko. Kwaje. Ndĩna rimunia gete ndawa. Ndĩna rimunia rakararia ndawa.
Ndĩraigua ndawa. Rimunia ice cube nĩ njũru.
Ndĩrenda kũruta andũ acio nĩngũmaruta. No rĩu matiratĩkia ũhoro serious aya gũkũ Nairobi. Tondũ nĩmaraigua rĩu tata wao na hau thutha uga atĩrĩ. Nĩgũgĩtua nyua njohi ndarainaina. Wĩyenda ngua. Wĩyenda ngua.
Atigĩrwo mũgũnda.
Mena mũrũwe nĩmendaga kwendia mũgũnda wakwa ũrĩa ũhutĩtie rũĩ. Akuĩte rĩu nĩ karetha rĩrĩ. Wakiri Harrison ũyũ ũkaga gũkũ kana kanso mbũrũ wa
macua
ũmwe wao ũrĩa ũrĩtĩkĩra kuoya
cira wa thirũ.
Ambĩke andũ acio ambe orie maĩ ndarathitanga. Kĩrathitanga nĩ ice cube. No mũkani arakana na akauga he is feigning illness. Ati arenga thimũ nĩ aratiga kũinaina.
Nĩ aranenehia ũhoro.
Ena kũinaina kwa display.
Ena yajara.
Way back, sometimes very back. Yes. You see, curriculum yukite cenjetie over the years.
Curriculum ya mathomo.
Bajetie na I think hede weka OCPE. Tene pio weka oginya intermediate. Yes.
Ucio ni tene.
Ando intermediate ri.
Ando intermediate ni atene.
Aigene mafauda mama kambuni maria muwe mega tu. Intermediate ona ndigwecia kwe marika maitu. Na. Ando aria mekaga general. You know, there was basic as quality or general knowledge. Ngombe ni yako guruma igana maundu makuona na maitho. Oh, never mind. Kuri andu bandu maringaga thi.
Such is life.
Such is life.
Every generation has a mixture of that kind of people.
Of course, go look at the CPE generation. They are also not young people. They make it a CPE. They are not young.
Apana.
Yes.
Adwa CPE onaotia nini?
Apana. Adwa the millennials. Ni a KCPE. The 8044 system. Form at all.
That was phased out.
It's phased out, of course, in favor of the competency-based
curriculum. CBC.
Yes. Not what we are CBC. Hema do you 844. Some of us used to be as myopic. Yeah, them just yadeshi. Reamenete gidomo. Tuganya mu ne kugato hotoga. Do you have 8 hyphen 4 hyphen 4? 8 minus 4 minus 4 is 0. Some of us were celebrated idiots. We either more can every 8 minus 4 minus 4
is 0.
Is 0. They go in a CBC. 844. Those of us who will remember, even in the most rural schools, a polling station, it is Yaro Centers Yajajo.
No, Kura.
I know school that is Yalogiri.
Havana.
We did what Kura. Yes. You at what do you call this fund that MPs get?
NGCDF.
Yes. And the Akira perimeter wall. Yadukuru.
Go. What have you?
Yes, the man with a barbed wire. Tena shukuru ya access from anywhere. Yes.
Udaingia.
Ona mugithoma ni muona mundu aituka na uhiu wake. Waikara uguo kona mama mocio ni thoguo. No kona ba guthundia hau arithie kanyaki kia hau nja wa kirathi. Nigetha muonie no urakarire family legacy ukoya guoko. Orie nothing.
Thoguo abanya ti bongora atumire thukuru.
Thoguo agie gratification ya bithi katia.
Arehaga.
But there was a very unique lesson. Area hii generations, you know, ya Muthoni na Stacy, and the general generation here, Generation Z, Matoy. Yet war, and it was run by the KIE, which is now the
KICD.
Yes, the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development.
Ito KICD omuthi.
Ito Kenya Institute of Education. I'm taratara mai na gueta goriri radio lessons. Yes,
lesson is ya radio.
Na shukuru nyina KIE was very effective on that. No digwesi ya gwesu kuru even the remotest matatu alirwo kare
radio ciari ko mathukuru mothe.
Yes,
yote
ndio aidha emwe kana igiri depending on the classes. Na ni mwakiheo time table uria muthondekero time table ya shukuru ri KIE would release a timetable
for radio lessons.
Mukero aramithi kwina mathabu ma radio. Na ede ori, you know, those are the ages of enlightenment. Tutionete radio muno.
Meakeo timecio the are radio.
Na thoguo ndakoragwo nayo. Actually, your father would loiter athie kwa neighbor agathikeria radio.
Teigwe taarifa.
Yes. Kana gathie karugama aigua kundu kuraria radio ri. Akamwira muthiage atithie. Aya twenda raigua mwago. No erugirire teire rwimbo rwake arutara ruthire. So there were those radio lessons. I think mostly the voice that we identify with mostly is the voice of Elizabeth Omolo. Yes.
Elizabeth Omolo.
Yes. Nikuwa ya secondary hagone ya Morris Mateshe. Literature for schools and what have you. Na reke ngwira muthenya uria kwina githomo kia radio. Gutie mundu watira.
Hey, muthenya wa radio gutire mundu ungiatirire.
Dwe muona gatata murona ta Gathaiya cio. Alafu arimu wa radio nao ni mari tone njega muno. Matiamwaragiria Ngoni.
Na kumwetania na indo very local.
Yes. Matiamweta mburi.
Na cia warubaga.
Nado macokagia. Waigua ni thaa cia radio lesson. Mugekirirwo KBC English Service. Siokagira kou. Siokagira githweri-ini. Mugekirirwo. Hello learners. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, teacher Eddie. How are you? Now, the mama the editor, they would give you that space. I hope you had a lovely week. And they had diction. I didn't want you they had good diction. I hope you had a lovely week. On this week's program, welcome to English lesson number 28. I am Mwalimu Kamotho. And I am teacher Miriam. Repeat. Mr. Kamotho. Mrs. Miriam. Very good learners. Today, hede mwalimu wanyu ri aikarete onake ni mesmerize.
Onake ni thire desk ya mundu utirire.
Yes.
Enyua desk ini.
He's struggling to hide excitement. Today, we are going to learn about nouns. Repeat. Nouns. What is a noun, teacher Miriam? A noun is the name of a place, a person, a city, or a specific.
Riu kona riu machopi kirathire kuma kanjia kubandika.
Yes.
Jesi ya theci no ngegu.
Jesi ya theci roria arekira break ya rwibori. Twini mekira break. Magwega. Teacher Miriam, give us 2 examples of nouns. Miriam, Nairobi, USA, Canada. Boys and girls, give your teacher examples of the nouns you know. We kiro ka instrument. Ru jesi ya thesi yako at home.
Karahuka.
Mwalimu akaruga manake and people are very excited.
Very.
Kamau. Joshua, stop mentioning names. Mention other nouns. Cow.
House.
Goats. Fish. Well done, learners. Nouns.
No, muthoni ni mumakuneona tato wathomire tene muno.
No, we were wild. No, it was transistorized radios. Na nikanagirira wega tugakona mahiga meru.
Ira thukuru ni ahota kugura mahiga.
Yes. Nikaigagwo hari oguo. Mukora ni rofi yothe
yukite kirathi.
Ekwanyu. That was it for this week's edition of Radio Lesson. I hope you have learned proper nouns and look forward to the next lesson. Please clap for your teacher. Mwalimu nake rwimbo rwekirwo macoka riu normal programming akahoria jesi ya theci ikamumena muno
turugamiria rwimbo niki.
Yes.
Ega tuigua rwimbo.
No na kurora uguo mathabu no mahaura andu na me marendi. Good morning, boys and girls. I'm teacher Elizabeth Omolo. Today, we are going to learn mathematics radio lesson number 96. Today, ladies and gentlemen, no, boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Today, boys and girls, we are going to learn about denominators and enumerators. Repeat. Wakiro. Repeat. Wewe kwa repeat yako leo. Posi ile amoko hetwo ri.
Ni thirire.
Ni makiana posi iyo ri. Batia consider mwana ni githeci. Space yako zitakuwa an average
lana.
Nimako make psychology ya speed ya mushiria wake.
Muruto wa kawaida.
Leo ebiro pale. Ni wafatara ihinda ira haraihu. Riria radio etari.
Poesio nene na muno radio ine.
Fractions are in several types. Proper fractions and improper fractions. The top is called the enumerator. Below one is called the denominator. For example, 1/4, in other words known as a quarter, is a proper. Give your teacher examples of proper fractions. How do you want to feel?
Mwalimu wanyu depending na emotions yake.
Yes.
Ni yagi akinyire handu mwe kurikia lesson iyo.
Yes.
Mukamurakari akamba kumuriha.
Akahoria nyamu amurihe.
Akahoria nyamu.
Yes.
Amurihe.
Na no timo kuwa yathi ni yathi.
Mukora no guo no menyo.
Karibu kwenye somo letu la leo la hisabati. Mimi na wewe ama letoma mwaka mnyozi onego force. Mimi ni mwalimu Kashuri. Na mimi hapa ni mwalimu Wanja. Siku ya leo wanafunzi tutasoma kuhusu maneno yenye maana tofauti lakini matamshi sawia. Rudia. Sinonemia na homonemia. Tofauti je ni nini? Sinonemia ni maneno yenye Numwake namu no mwalimu kwaja akorodo iwega kana hii program ne shiragirwo kidogo. Agekira akirora kana mwalimu ni okire. Mukaigwa ndumbu.
Solo.
Kaigwa ndumbulu. Sikutala mami, dunia ya madungu na sikutala
Ugina no abatajika akindu.
Muga.
Amure ikarire hau.
Chakwa. Na mwalimu ni agekirio go there were some teachers who would actually want to psych you up. Aigwa kweru bori. Ekirio rwimbo nigetha mweke atia.
Bukoro mwage psych.
Yes. Ogianyitirwo ne roho wa gukira uinie njohero.
Kiu kirathio guthomera nja.
Waja aumehani akora ogivira njohero.
Mucukari nake aguceme.
Wiguite under pressure.
Na ti uri performaga subject iyo.
Yes. Nwaba akorihuo. Age magithie mitambo-ini.
Okay, rodio gaturie maru hau murango-ini.
Yes. Let me tell you, this generation will never understand.
They can't.
Hey, nitwaikara uguo tukerora radio ithuothe. We used to watch radio.
Na tukagega.
Uguo marahuthira, what do you call these things? Irikaira mai.
Tablets.
Tablet itu yari radio. Emwoguo.
Na ndisia tukenagia muno tondu muthenya wa radio ndungiatirire.
Ayo ndungiatirire. Yes. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all smart and ready for school. Hende mwana buku. Are you smart? Yes. Hende orete furana ta irio.
Na kwanyi ni gukura rucini urokire kugwa rwena rugima wina ndoro.
Gwecioka mukora mutirariretio naki. The sources of energy, boys and girls, are in several categories. Electricity, iyo mutiarireta. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Hamujui. Solar energy, liwanire mushinane mwarireta. Liquid paraffin.
Iyo ni mwamenyaga.
And firewood. Yes. We are from the struggle. The government should actually consider giving us a special fund.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeni.
We are the original hustlers. The indigenous.